Hey guys, I'm Evan from Fatherly. We're teaming up with Family Handyman today to show you some classic kitchen hacks that will help you from becoming Clark Griswold this holiday season. And like all good kitchen hacks, these involve a drill. In a pickle with too many apples, perhaps you're not meeting the apple pie demand of the holiday season. Well, we're going to give you a great hack that's going to help turn your drill into a high-speed apple peeler. First thing you're going to do, you're going to want to chunk your spade bit. You're going to take your apple, insert the spade bit down through the bottom center of it like so. Grab your peeler and put these bad boys to work. You're basically the Harlem Globetrotter of peeling apples. I guess you could say this hack is pretty appealing. Apples are finished, let's move on to the potatoes. Remember, when you're inserting the spade bit, you want to be extra careful. Tater, meat grater. The music of the kitchen. That's a perfectly peeled potato. And voila! You're gonna want some pepper for these mashed potatoes, correct? So let's add a little drill to our mill. So let's discard of our potatoes. That was a trash can, not a person. Take your pepper grinder, remove the grinding mechanism from the top. You're gonna want a socket that's about the same size as the grinder opening. Chunk your drill onto the grinding mechanism until it's nice and secure. The socket is so that pepper doesn't fly everywhere, at least not into your face. So we're about to upgrade your cheese grater so that you can make as much dairy as you need for all the crazy cousin Eddies in your life. Take your cheese grater and remove the plastic handle, set that aside. Remove the grating barrel from the cheese grater. You're gonna want a 1/4-inch screw, a flat washer, a lock washer, and one solitary nut. Put your flat washer and your lock washer on the screw and thread it through the hole in the grating barrel. Use your nut to secure the screw. Once you have your nut attached, you want to grab a pair of pliers and screw it in nice and tight. Insert your grating barrel back into your cheese grater, chuck the screw, and it's basically school picture day because it's about to get super cheesy in here. The main course is over with, let's move on to dessert. No matter what dessert you're making this holiday season, you're probably going to want some delicious homemade fresh whipped cream. So let's take our beater and apply some brute force. Take some heavy whipping cream and pour it into a bowl. Take your beater and chuck it to your drill. Now, nice and careful, we're gonna whip up some cream so as not to get anything on our beautiful Christmas sweater. Our grandma made it for us. We don't want to ruin it. Do you want fresh whipped cream or not? I'm not doing it wrong, but I'm definitely not doing it right. Do we have another battery for the drill? I know I'm out of shape, but this is surprisingly difficult. Okay, let's see if it's ready. Oh yeah, it's ready. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. It's okay. It's not great, but it's pretty good. Just like Mom used to make with her drill. Well, I ate all the whipped cream because it's the holidays and I'll do what I want, and now it's time to clean up. You can order online one of these handy dandy scrub brush drill attachments that's gonna make cleaning fast, fun, and easy. Grab your attachment, chuck that on. Presto, cleaning is finally fun. Whether you're avoiding catastrophe this year or creating catastrophe like Clark, have the happiest holiday.